Hello friends, this is Simple Bappa and I warmly welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, we are traveling to a tropical paradise in Southeast Asia, where crystal clear blue waters, soft white sandy beaches, and luxurious hospitality come together to create an unforgettable experience. Our destination is the beautiful island of Phu Quoc in Vietnam, and right here stands the magnificent Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc. In this video, I will take you on a complete journey, from the grand lobby to the elegant rooms, the stunning swimming pool, the buffet breakfast, spa facilities, room tariffs, and even how to reach the resort from the airport. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this immersive experience. Vietnam has become one of the most attractive travel destinations in recent years. It is a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. From the mountains in the north to the vibrant cities in the center and the tropical islands in the south, Vietnam offers incredible diversity. In the southern part of the country lies Phu Quoc Island, often called the Pearl Island. Surrounded by the calm waters of the Gulf of Thailand, this island is known for its pristine beaches, peaceful atmosphere, and world-class resorts. Among them, Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc stands out as a symbol of luxury and comfort. As you travel from Phu Quoc International Airport to the resort, which takes around 45 minutes by car, you will pass through scenic roads lined with greenery and local island landscapes. Upon arriving at the main entrance of the resort, you are greeted by impressive European-style architecture, elegant white buildings, and beautifully maintained gardens surrounded by palm trees. The peaceful atmosphere immediately makes you feel far away from the noise and rush of city life. Entering the lobby is truly a grand experience. Cool air-conditioned comfort, a subtle pleasant fragrance, shining marble floors, high ceilings, and magnificent chandeliers create a royal ambience. Large glass windows open toward the sea, allowing natural light to brighten the entire space. The staff members are polite, professional, and welcoming. During check-in, you are offered a refreshing welcome drink, which instantly relaxes you after your journey.
On an island where the palm trees sway, golden sunshine lights the day. Ocean whispers soft and slow, where peaceful island breezes blow. White sand shining under skies, reflections dance in travelers' eyes. With camera in hand and a dream so far, Simple Bappa just shows who we are.
Every sunrise paints the sea with colors wild and free. Through his lens the world we see.
Now let's step into the room. As you enter, the spacious and elegant interior immediately catches your attention. A large king-size bed with soft white linens and comfortable pillows promises restful sleep. The room features a private balcony where you can enjoy breathtaking views of the ocean or the lush gardens. Modern amenities include a flat-screen television, minibar, safety locker, high-speed Wi-Fi, and tea and coffee-making facilities. The bathroom is equally impressive, equipped with a large bathtub, a glass-enclosed shower area, and premium toiletries that add a touch of luxury to your stay. In the early morning, standing on the balcony while watching the sunrise over the sea is an unforgettable experience. The gentle sound of waves and the fresh ocean breeze create a calm and refreshing start to the day. Beyond the spacious layout and elegant design already mentioned, the rooms at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc are thoughtfully designed to provide both luxury and comfort for every type of traveler. The interior decor reflects a soft, tropical style with light-colored walls, wooden furniture, and subtle decorative elements that create a warm and calming atmosphere. The lighting inside the room is adjustable, allowing you to create a bright daytime setting or a soft, cozy ambience in the evening. The seating area inside the room adds extra comfort, featuring a comfortable sofa or lounge chair along with a small coffee table. This space is perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee, reading a book, or simply enjoying the peaceful indoor environment. Large floor-to-ceiling windows not only provide beautiful views but also allow plenty of natural sunlight to brighten the room during the day. Storage space is another practical advantage. The wardrobe is spacious and well organized, including hangers, bathrobes, slippers, and an iron with an ironing board in many room categories. The minibar is neatly arranged with beverages and snacks, and complimentary bottled water is usually provided daily. For guests celebrating special occasions such as anniversaries or honeymoons, the resort often arranges room decorations upon request, including flower petals, towel art, or small surprises that enhance the romantic atmosphere. Some upgraded room categories and suites offer separate living areas, larger balconies, and even direct access to the pool, providing an even more exclusive experience. Soundproofing in the rooms ensures privacy and peaceful rest, allowing guests to fully relax without disturbance. The bedding is designed for maximum comfort, with high-quality mattresses that support deep and restful sleep after a long day of exploring the island. Housekeeping service is efficient and attentive, maintaining high cleanliness standards throughout your stay. Rooms are cleaned daily, and any additional requests are handled promptly by the staff. Overall, the rooms at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc are not just places to sleep, they are private sanctuaries where comfort, elegance, and tranquility come together to create a truly memorable holiday experience.
Vinpearl by the blue sea light, shining warm and shining bright. Simple Bappa that takes us there, island magic in the air.
Waves are cold and soft and clear.
Every moment feels so near. In this tropical fantasy, we find love and luxury.
Marble halls and crystal air, gentle smiles everywhere, balcony views of endless tide, where golden sunsets slowly glide.
Morning coffee, ocean breeze, calmness flowing through the trees. Walking softly by the shore, simple Bappa explores.
Under starlit island skies, where the quiet beauty lies, through his voice the story flows, every traveler truly knows.
One of the highlights of the resort is its massive outdoor swimming pool. The pool is large enough to accommodate many guests comfortably and is beautifully designed with palm trees and open skies surrounding it. Around the pool, there are comfortable lounge chairs where you can relax and soak up the sun. There is also a poolside bar offering a variety of refreshing drinks and cocktails. In the late afternoon, when the sunlight reflects on the water, the entire area glows in stunning shades of blue and gold. Breakfast at Vinpearl is truly a delightful experience. The swimming pool area at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc is not just a place to swim, it is a complete relaxation zone designed for comfort and luxury. The pool is impressively large and beautifully maintained, with crystal clear blue water that reflects the open sky above. The design of the pool blends perfectly with the tropical surroundings, creating a seamless connection between water, palm trees, and the distant ocean view. The edges of the pool are carefully designed, giving a resort-style infinity feeling in certain sections, where the water visually merges with the horizon. Around the pool, you will find neatly arranged sun loungers with soft cushions, allowing guests to relax comfortably under the warm Vietnamese sun. Large umbrellas provide shade for those who prefer a cooler atmosphere. The pool deck is spacious, clean, and elegantly designed with non-slip tiles, ensuring both safety and style. Soft background music often plays in the area, enhancing the relaxing holiday mood. For guests who enjoy refreshments while swimming, the poolside bar offers a variety of drinks, including tropical cocktails, fresh fruit juices, smoothies, and light snacks. You can swim up, take a short break, and enjoy a chilled beverage without even leaving the pool area for long. It creates a very premium, vacation-style experience. The pool is also suitable for families, as there are shallow sections designed for children, ensuring safety and comfort for younger guests. Lifeguards are usually present, maintaining a secure environment throughout the day. Towels are provided by the resort, so guests do not need to bring anything from their rooms. In the late afternoon, the swimming pool area becomes even more beautiful. As the sun begins to set, the water turns golden under the soft evening light. At night, subtle underwater lighting illuminates the pool, creating a calm and romantic ambience. The reflections of palm trees and lights on the water surface make it a perfect spot for photography and peaceful relaxation. Overall, the swimming pool at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc is more than just an amenity. It is one of the main highlights of the resort experience, offering luxury, comfort, and unforgettable tropical vibes in every moment.
Shining in the sun, where new memories are begun. Simple Bappa that brings a dream, like a soft dramatic scene. Pools that shimmer, sky so wide, peace and comfort side by side. In this island fantasy, pure and sweet serenity. Close your eyes, hear the waves, feel the rhythm nature gave. Far from noise and city sound, simple Bappa has found a paradise so calm and free, beside the endless sea. Vinpearl glowing through the night, under moon and silver light. With every step and every smile, we travel mile by mile. Stay connected, don't go far. Subscribe to Simple Bappa Star. In this island fantasy, forever in serenity.
The buffet spread includes a wide variety of options, from traditional Vietnamese dishes like pho soup and freshly prepared noodles to Western favorites such as bread, pastries, fresh fruits, cereals, eggs cooked at live stations, coffee, and fresh juices. Enjoying breakfast while overlooking the sea adds a special charm to the entire dining experience. Beyond the wide variety of dishes already mentioned, the breakfast experience at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc is truly designed to satisfy every type of traveler. The buffet area itself is spacious and elegantly arranged, allowing guests to move comfortably without feeling crowded, even during peak hours. The restaurant interior is bright and welcoming, with large windows that allow natural morning light to fill the space, creating a refreshing and positive start to the day. One of the most impressive parts of the breakfast is the live cooking stations. Skilled chefs prepare eggs exactly the way you like: omelets, scrambled eggs, fried eggs, or boiled, right in front of you. There are also freshly made pancakes and waffles, served hot and topped with honey, chocolate syrup, or tropical fruits. Watching the chefs at work adds an interactive and lively touch to the dining experience. The Vietnamese section offers authentic local flavors. Freshly prepared pho noodle soup is a highlight, served with aromatic herbs, lime, and sauces that allow you to customize the taste. There are also traditional rice dishes, stir-fried vegetables, and local specialties that give you a true taste of Vietnam in the morning. For health-conscious guests, there is a dedicated section featuring fresh tropical fruits such as watermelon, pineapple, dragon fruit, papaya, and passion fruit. Alongside these are yogurt, cereals, granola, nuts, and a selection of healthy juices. Freshly brewed Vietnamese coffee is another must-try, known for its strong and rich flavor, as well as a variety of teas for a lighter option. The bakery section is equally impressive, offering a range of freshly baked croissants, muffins, Danish pastries, and different types of bread. The aroma of warm bread in the morning adds a comforting feeling to the entire restaurant atmosphere. Service during breakfast is attentive and efficient. Staff members quickly clear tables, refill dishes, and assist guests with a warm smile. Whether you choose to sit indoors in the air-conditioned comfort or outside with a view of the garden and sea breeze, the experience feels relaxed and luxurious. Overall, breakfast at Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc is not just a meal, it is a complete morning experience that combines international variety, authentic Vietnamese flavors, elegant ambience, and attentive service, setting the perfect tone for a beautiful day on Phu Quoc Island. The resort also features a fully equipped spa and wellness center where guests can enjoy relaxing massages and body treatments. There is a modern fitness center, tennis courts, and a dedicated play area for children, making it an ideal destination for families as well as couples. Room tariffs vary depending on the season. During the off-season, prices may start from around $120 per night, while in peak travel seasons, rates can range from $250 or more per night. Booking in advance through trusted travel platforms often helps secure better deals and discounts. In the evening, taking a walk along the private beach is a magical experience. As the sun slowly sets on the horizon, the sky transforms into shades of orange, red, and gold. The soothing sound of the waves and the peaceful surroundings create a moment of pure relaxation and serenity. Friends, this was a complete tour experience of Vinpearl Resort and Spa Phu Quoc in beautiful Vietnam. If you are planning a luxurious and peaceful beach holiday, this resort can be a perfect choice for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Simple Bappa, for more amazing travel experiences. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next exciting journey.